we're gonna teach you and Chloe the 5 things about Chinese New Year.
Yeah, I'm so excited to learn.
First rule that I'm gonna teach you, we're gonna talk about the year of the bunny, and it's 2023.
My bunny!
There is ox, mouse, dragon, snake, and this is the dragon. Dragon, snake,
Nice.
rooster, horse, tiger, and also bunny, monkey, and pig, and dog. Second thing is about the Chinese legend dragon. It's the master of the dragons, but it's not real. There's a legend dragon only comes out at Chinese New Year, and it eats children. But that only will happen at China, at Chinese New Year. If the dragon is scary for you and you don't want it to eat you, there is a first golden rule. Can you guess what it is?
Always use red stuff.
Yes. Yes, and make loud noises, red fireworks. Third thing is you get red envelopes.
Yes, I know that.
And that will give you good luck.
For next Christmas.
Not for next Christmas. If you keep them, you will have good luck for every year or every day. Number 4 of the golden rule is always be safe. And also remember, you also have to wear red stuff, okay?
You have to keep your house red also.
You have to keep everything you want to keep red.
What else can you teach me?
How to say Happy New Year in Chinese.
新年好.
I'm gonna teach you the song. 新年好呀，新年好呀，祝福大家新年好。我们唱歌，我们跳舞，祝福大家新年好。
年年有余，大吉大利。苹果保平安，甜甜蜜蜜。
Happy Chinese New Year and have a good one!